How to landscape around a light pole. A light post at the end of a driveway is warm and inviting, but it can look out of place. Surrounding the lamp with a pretty garden will improve the appearance of your whole home. Container gardening allows you to rearrange the garden or bring your plants indoors for winter. Keep it contained. Digging around the base of a light pole can be hazardous. You run the risk of hitting electric lines. A safer alternative is a decorative container garden. Virtually any container can be turned into a planter. A metal wheelbarrow parked in front of the lamp post has rustic appeal, while ceramic pots are a more elegant alternative. Garden proportions. The light pole is the default focal point of the garden. Arrange plants so they draw the eye to the lamp, not hide it in foliage. One way to landscape is to arrange containers in a step formation. Place an old wooden chair next to the lamppost. Arrange smaller pots near the feet of the chair and a medium-sized pot on the seat of the chair. You can achieve a similar effect by placing planters on old crates turned on their sides or stacked.